the kids them.
Oh.
Yeah, me I wait for the kids them. That like me can't wait, but happy. I want to
Okay.
see them. Yeah. And more likely, you know, I think the day just always work out for itself by the grace of God.
For real, man.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna sun taps now. So me I said to you, say I'm in your hometown. So what's up?
Yeah. So, we are free now for a little more.
I don't know you are free.
Just link me, man, and I come on foot.
Alex come in. Yeah, Alex come in.
Is it?
Just link you.
Yeah.
Guys, triple chat. So what look a nice place here. So hi, thank you, baby. So what look a nice place there here. So you that say okay, then meet me. You come and say your place in a Queen. Thank you. Queen, thank you guys. Thank you so much. What look a nice place. I can said, okay, and you meet me right there. So come and say me no know.
I can't come to Las Vegas, man.
Las Vegas?
Yeah. On the crane road after you come over the bridge.
Oh, what's Las Vegas? Like a
Seafood restaurant, you know, on the beach. You have a drink. And, you know, get a lobster, fish. You know?
Okay. That's so nice.
Yeah. Anybody from Sentiment can tell us a nice little place, no?
Alright, so I guess we can do that like this evening.
That can go on us.
Alright, then no problem. So I guess we see you this evening then. Alright, a girl like to eat, so guys, what I say, of course, I want to meet him. I in a place, I can't in a place, I want to link up.
For real, man, for real.
Somebody said, it's a nice place. Oh, it's a nice place. Somebody said it's a nice place. Honey, yo.
Moderator, do the right thing.
So, why you so fast? That may I ask you, why you so fast? Oh, him in a match. Tell him so when him break. Tell him so when him break way. When him break, I tell you this link. Guys, stop your foolish.
So you can do that animal, little more. When you text you, see it.
Oh, you text me.
You remember you didn't text me about me. When you text about my number, so you show me when I reach you. When I move out, I'm just can.
Alright, so me text you on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
You love weird glass.
Yeah.
You love weird glass. Guys, follow all of my gifters them now, please. Thank you, boo. Yeah, Annie. Me eat them style, you see. A girl can't go eat and meet somebody. Oh, not this yo, my eat on a style. God no, on a weird, on a really weird. Everything on a love putting yourself in. I don't like that. Guys, let me big up my people them first. Yeah. Queen, thank you so much, guys. Big up my MVP. Guys, big up my number 2, number 3 gifters. Big up yourself. I can't have no friend. Enjoy your life. That's it. I can't have no friend and come out of my business. What's this? Guys, send back that gift there again, let me see it. No, that one with this cup on my head with the light bulb. But nobody now listen. Look here, Annie, I blush. No, I'm not blush no, guys. Jesus Christ, me hate to know. God know me hate to know bar. Call on your man, say my go adapt me. Balish, you never say adapt me.
What do you mean?
So you don't want to adapt me. In a relationship, you say my go adapt me. You don't want the man adapt me and me have good life. Queen, thank you, baby. Love you too. Thank you. Well, no, not at me this evening. I guess he's taking me out to eat this evening and have a nice drink. And you guys are coming, so if you don't want to come stay on the yard. That's it. Okay? While you're not afraid of my camera, you know me a camera girl, right?
I'm not afraid of camera. I'm not wanted, man. So I'm not afraid of camera.
Oh my God, I love that. I love that.
Nothing wrong with the camera.
Me a coma. Yeah, this is one of me a coma. We a coma.
Girl, I'm a St. Elizabeth, they love you, you know.
Sometimes I wanna set me up. I do like him. Him very nice. I don't know. There's something about him when him come amongst me. I always feel good. So yeah, that'd be nice to meet him in person. I'm not telling us I'm in love with nobody, guys. Don't push that upon me. He's nice. And him always a support good girl and him. I don't know. I don't know if him like me boilish. You like me like that?
I mean, if I never like him, I don't come support you.
See same thing there. And him straightforward your fudge. He's straightforward your fudge. So boilish. Oh my God. Hold on. Chat. Maybe I'm gonna double tap on the chat. Boilish really like booming.
I'm like, well,
Mm-hmm.
alright, I'll be honest still. You see it?
Be honest. That's the only thing. Thank you, baby. Thank you, guys. Maybe I'm gonna sump on a triple here. Be honest.
Alright, no. Sister is a loving and kind in person. So to take care of you, then, yeah.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true. Sheldon, what's up? Queen with a heart. Thank you, baby. What month you born?
February.
What do you think about me with February people? Honestly, this a area, guys. Triple chat, triple. This a area I meet most of February people in my life. You believe me?
Mm-hmm.
February what?
Yeah.
February the what?
16.
It's 16. Okay, you're a water sign. Okay. Chat, thank you, baby, guys. Thank you, guys. We're gonna sometimes chat, please. Really? You feel something like me? Yes, he likes you. In the like department, I soon talk to no one away. But now I gonna say it when boilish there. But he will hear, cause I know me not hide nothing. You know me not hide nothing at all.
I really thought, man.
Him seems nice. Really? Girl, me not no luck. I don't have luck with relationship, bro. I don't know. I don't know. He's humble. I can't say that for him, yes. It's saying humble. Alright, far from me now. So you know me a trouble. You that date me?
What do you mean?
You can manage trouble? My trouble?
I mean, man, can manage your trouble.
No, come.
Definitely. Of course.
Well, maybe now, no. I may ask your age, but don't tell me your exact age. Tell me it close. Don't tell me exact age, just go close.
32.
32. 32. Him tell. Oh, them I tell him to run. Oh, them I tell him to run.
Some people say run, some say a nice person, so I'm not really paying no mind on you, see?
I know you're not gonna pay them no mind. Remember say you know me, Remember say you're somebody where watch me and support me, all of that. So I don't really watch that. Boo, bless up yourself, baby. You get your gloves. Guys, when you get your gloves, me I beg you to use it and hammer. One thing. What that? Yeah. Tony, big up yourself, baby. Number 3, guys. Everybody, guys, a double tap. Sexy. Bless up yourself, guys. Everybody within my chat.